my name is Teacher Mark, and today we will talk more about jobs. Okay, let's start with his job. So he is a dentist. 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 Okay, dentist. All right, dentist. Doctor for teeth. Okay, dentist. Next, we have plumber. 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 Okay, plumber. They fix the pipes and the toilet. So plumber. Okay, so this is dentist. Plumber. Dentist. Plumber. So he is a dentist. He is a plumber. Okay, so dentist and plumber. Okay, next we have farmer. 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 Okay, so they plant some crops. So farmer, they farm. Okay, next we have taxi driver. Taxi driver. Taxi driver. Taxi driver. Okay, so they drive the taxis. Okay, so we have farmer, taxi driver, farmer, taxi driver. Okay, he is a farmer and she is a taxi driver. Okay, so farmer and taxi driver. Okay, next. Teacher. Okay. Teacher. Teacher. Okay. Teacher. Okay, so they teach. Like me, I am a teacher. Okay. Next is artist. 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 Okay, artist. So artists, they paint. Okay, they do art. So we have teacher, artist, teacher, artist. Okay, she is a teacher. She is an artist. Okay, so teacher and artist. Now let's try to review the jobs. Let's start with dentist. Dentist. Plumber. Plumber. Farmer. Farmer. Taxi driver. Taxi driver. Teacher. Teacher. Artist. Artist. Okay, now let's try to ask some questions. If you agree, you say, yes, he or she is. And if not, you say, no, he or she is not. Okay, let's start. Okay, is he an artist? Is he an artist? No, he's not. He is a dentist. He is a dentist. He is A dentist. Okay, dentist. Dentist. Okay, next. Is he a plumber? Is he a plumber? Yes, he is. He is a plumber. He is a plumber. He is a plumber. Okay, he is a plumber. Next. Okay. Is he a teacher? Is he a teacher? No, he's not. He is a farmer. Okay. He is a farmer. He is a farmer. Okay, he's a farmer. Next. Is he a dentist? Oh, is she a dentist? Is she a dentist? No, she's not. She is a taxi driver. She is a taxi driver. Okay, she is a taxi driver. Okay, she's a taxi driver. Next. Is she a teacher? Is she a teacher? Yes, she is. She is a teacher. She is a teacher. She is a teacher. Okay, she's a teacher. All right, and last one. Is she an artist? Is she an artist? Yes, she is. She is an artist. She is an artist. She is an artist. Okay, artist. All right. Now let's try to pronounce the words 3 times. Okay, let's start with dentist. Okay, 3 times. Go. Dentist, dentist, dentist. Again. Dentist, dentist, dentist. Okay, dentist. All right. Next is plumber. Plumber 3 times. Ready, go. Plumber, plumber, plumber. Again. Plumber, plumber, plumber. Okay, plumber. Next is farmer. Okay, farmer 3 times. Go. Farmer, farmer, farmer. Again. Farmer, farmer, farmer. Okay, so farmer. Next one we have taxi driver. Okay, taxi driver 3 times. Ready, go. Taxi driver, taxi driver, taxi driver. Again, taxi driver, taxi driver, taxi driver. Okay, so taxi driver. All right. Next one. Teacher. Okay, good. Teacher 3 times. Ready, go. Teacher, teacher, teacher. Again. Teacher, teacher, teacher. Teacher. Okay, so she's a teacher. And artist. Okay, 3 times. Ready, go. Artist, artist, artist. Again. Artist, artist, artist. Okay, so artist. All right, so let's try to pronounce each word twice or 2 times. Okay, let's start with dentist. Dentist. Plumber. Plumber. Farmer. Farmer. Taxi driver. Taxi driver. Teacher. Teacher. Artist. Artist. Okay, now let's try to say it once. Dentist, plumber, farmer, taxi driver, teacher, artist. Okay, now let's try to answer my questions. Okay, so she is, oh yes, he is a dentist. Okay, what's his job? Plumber. Okay, what about his job? Farmer. And what's her job? Taxi driver. And she is a teacher. Okay, and what's her job? An artist. Okay, very good. Now that's it for today, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, kids.